I love living in Phoenix, Arizona, and I love helping people buy and sell in this area. I'm gonna show you a beautiful, updated, remodeled home, but before we get into the home, I wanna talk about the location. We are 5 minutes away from Biltmore. You are right around the corner from the 51 to get you wherever you need to go within a 10, 15, 20-minute time frame. And this neighborhood is so quiet. It is so peaceful. They have amazing walking trails and biking trails. And you can wake up in the morning or after dinner, go outside, maybe you have a dog, and take your dog on a walk in your quiet neighborhood. Tell you some of the details that makes this home spectacular. So there are 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. Whenever they renovated the home, they added an additional 600 square feet to the home, and now it has 2,500 square feet. There are 4 places to park your cars, there's a pool, and all of the finishes are top of the line and it looks amazing. Okay, now I know you want to see what it looks like inside, so let's go take a tour. As you enter the home through the front door, you have 3 windows that make this room extremely bright and feels so welcoming. I also love that this area, you could place a larger table here. So maybe you have a big family or you love to host. Putting a table here that can fit 6 to 8 people is achievable because you have so much space. This would be the area where you could mount your big screen TV above the fireplace, put your couch here, and completely make this your area to enjoy your time with your friends and your family. This bathroom makes me feel so happy. I love the color scheme. The tile is so much fun. The shower with the black and white looks very modern. And of course, to have the mirror with the light on it is such a necessity, especially for the ladies when we're doing our hair, doing our makeup. We want to see all the things. Well, sometimes we're like, oh, we saw too much. Having the option makes it so much better when you're getting dressed in the morning. Thank you so much for staying this long to watch this beautiful home tour here in Phoenix, Arizona. If this fits everything that you were looking for, send me a message because I would love the opportunity to help you purchase this home. If you're like, Dea, this is not the one, but I know the one is out there, please send me a message because we need to go house hunting, house shopping to find you exactly what you're looking for. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now.